This is Tiffany, and I'm from China. My company name is Wonderful Stone Company Limited. And these are some of our main products, marble. And many clients buy our marbles to make countertops and floors. And we can do whatever size you need. We have been active in nature stone for more than 20 years. And we offer good service and quality products to our customers. These are our pink granite. Look at here. The surface is polished. And this surface is bush hammered. This pink color granite is widely used for countertop and floor. Look at here. This is our grain granite. We have our own quarries of G684 granites. For this one, it's Cambodia granite. The price is very competitive. And for the surface, we can do frame surface, we can do bush hammer surface, and polished surface. We can do whatever size you need. This is a dark gray granite, G654. And we have some light gray granites, and we have machine tools. Also, we can show you yellow granites. Dear friends, these are our mid-gray granites. And G633, we sell more than 50 containers to Middle East countries and European countries. And for those black ones, we have G684 and some fancy black. And for example, a lot of clients buy this black granites for tombstone and for floors. We can do whatever size you need. We can do slabs, we can do tires, risers. Yes, just contact us. Dear friends, we have done a lot of stairs for our clients. Look at here, all kinds of stairs processing can be carried out according to your requirements. And here we have done stone drills, and we have 15 years of experience. These products are for Middle East countries. And for this one, we have bathing factories in China, and we have done a lot of bathings and bathroom. It's used for bathrooms. Dear friends, to contact us, please write on our WhatsApp, visit our website, and this is our WeChat. We are very glad to cooperate. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.